The Indus Valley Civilization was a cultural and political entity which flourished in the northern region of the Indian subcontinent between c. 7000 c. 600 BCE. Its modern name derives from its location in the valley of the Indus River, but it is also commonly referred to as the Indus-Sarasvati Civilization and the Harappan Civilization. These latter designations come from the Sarasvati River mentioned in Vedic sources, which flowed adjacent to the Indus River, and the ancient city of Harappa in the region, the first one found in the modern era. None of these names derive from any ancient texts because, although scholars generally believe the people of this civilization developed a writing system, known as Indus script or Harappan script, it has not yet been deciphered. Remove ads. Advertisement. All three designations are modern constructs, and nothing is definitively known of the origin, development, decline, and fall of the civilization. Even so, modern archaeology has established a probable chronology and periodization. Pre-Harappan is c. 7000 c. 5500 BCE. Early Harappan is c. 5500 to 2800 BCE. Mature Harappan is c. 2800 c. 1900 BCE. Late Harappan is c. 1900 c. 1500 BCE. Post-Harappan is c. 1500 c. 600 BCE. The Indus Valley Civilization is now often compared with the far more famous cultures of Egypt and Mesopotamia, but this is a fairly recent development. The discovery of Harappa in 1829 CE was the first indication that any such civilization existed in India, and by that time, Egyptian hieroglyphics had been deciphered, Egyptian and Mesopotamian sites excavated, and cuneiform would soon be translated by the scholar George Smith, L. 1840 to 1876 CE. Archaeological excavations of the Indus Valley Civilization, therefore, had a significantly late start comparatively, and it is now thought that many of the accomplishments and firsts attributed to Egypt and Mesopotamia may actually belong to the people of the Indus Valley Civilization.